Welcome everyone in a new video at World Truck Part. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory that not only enhances your truck's aesthetics, but also boosts its functionality. The door mirrors from World Truck Part Limited, designed specifically for Kenworth T680, T880, or W990 models. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating tight city streets, having reliable, high-quality mirrors is crucial. That's where World Truck Part Ltd comes in with their premium chrome door mirrors and black door mirrors, designed with precision and built for durability. These mirrors are more than just accessories, they're essential upgrades that enhance both function and form. In the world of heavy-duty trucks, few names carry as much prestige and performance as Kenworth. For over a century, Kenworth has stood at the forefront of innovation, delivering powerful, reliable, and driver-focused vehicles that define excellence on the road. Since its founding in 1923, Kenworth has built a legacy rooted in quality craftsmanship and cutting-edge engineering. As part of the Packard family since 1945, Kenworth continues to lead the industry with advanced technology, fuel efficiency, and unmatched comfort for long-haul drivers. Models like the T680, T880, and W990 represent the pinnacle of that tradition. The T680 offers sleek aerodynamics and a luxurious interior, perfect for over-the-road haulers. The T880 is the workhorse of vocational fleets, tough, customizable, and ready for any job. And the mighty W990, it's built for power and presence, designed specifically for Western Star by Kenworth to dominate in heavy haul and specialty transport applications. To keep these legendary machines looking sharp and performing at their best, every detail matters, including your door mirrors. That's where World Truck Part Ltd comes in. Their chrome door mirror adds a bold, polished look while offering superior visibility and weather resistance. The black door mirror, on the other hand, gives your truck a clean, modern appearance perfect for those who prefer a more aggressive or stealthy style. When you pair the timeless strength of Kenworth with the premium quality of World Truck Part Ltd mirrors, you're not just upgrading your truck, you're honoring a legacy of excellence. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks to all our valued customers and fans for your unwavering trust and support. Stay tuned for more updates, new products, and exciting stories in our upcoming videos. Until then, keep your trucks rolling strong and looking sharp. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Remember to follow us on social media, visit our website, or reach out directly for any inquiries. Drive safe and see you next time.